Hello guys! Welcome to our channel.
Where's she in the?
Ano pangalan yung...
Where's she in the ano?
Riga.
Hindi! Where's she in the?
Ano pangalan ng...
Ninong Princess. Ninong Marta.
It's me, Ninang Marta. And this
My
is...
name is Alexis.
And today...
How about you? What's your name?
And Ninong Prince.
Hi, how are you? Have a nice day.
So, we are here in Riga. We are planning to fix this Rubik's Cube, but we don't know how to do it. So,
But
we will
we're
watch...
gonna have challenge later, right?
Yes. Yes, you're right, Alexis. Oh.
Can you sample artista?
Okay, so for now, we will just do the Artista Challenge first.
And later we're gonna do
Rubik's Cube Challenge.
and we're gonna do later playing.
Yes, we will show you how to play. But for now, Artista Challenge for level 1. Alexis,
level 1.
my friend Alexis will show you how to cry.
Level 1 artista challenge. Level 2 artista crying challenge. Level 3 happy crying challenge.
Okay, you do it first.
You first. Bakit ka?
Isama niyo si Isabel, iyak.
And our baby here,
Video.
we have Isabel.
Yeah.
Hi, Isabel.
Say hi.
Hi, hello, Isabel.
And this clothes is Sophia the first, right?
Yeah,
See
Sophia.
you later, guys.
See ya. Don't forget to